Hey everyone, it's Tuesday morning. I've already done my exercise. I took Mika for a ride on the bike, and if you haven't seen that, I think somewhere in one of our videos, you can see how I have a basket in the front of my bike, and I put Mika in the basket, and she likes to go for a ride with me. Anyways, I generally will record a new guest every day on the podcast. So I basically work 7 days a week. And sometimes, like today, I don't even have a guest scheduled. I have a guy that we've been writing back and forth, but we never really confirmed it. But the interesting thing is, most of the time when days are like this, either it'll work out or I'll find a new guest. It's kind of like I just manifest a guest and it'll come. So I'm not really that stressed out about it. Plus I have some that I've already recorded. Sometimes I'll see in the comments like, why don't you vet the guests? And I don't think people realize that I actually turned down a lot of requests to be guests because I don't think they'd be a good fit for the podcast. So I do my own version of vetting, but I still never know for sure how the video is going to turn out. And I don't really have time to research every single guest when you have a daily show, you know? And another interesting thing is I can prepare for a guest and I can have questions and be ready to go. And then sometimes the conversation just takes a left turn and it ends up being completely different from what I expected or where I thought we were going to go. You can prepare so much, but I don't think you're ever going to completely be prepared because, like I said, you just don't know where the conversation's going to go. But anyways, the one thing I do know is that I'm grateful that you guys come and watch every day. So thank you. By the way, I have a new merch store for the JeffMara podcast. And what's pretty cool is the way their website works is they show all the artwork and then you can just apply it to any of their products. And what's also nice is they're working with me to create new artwork each month. So I want to have something new to present to you guys each month. So I hope you like that. I don't know if you noticed, but today we're having spanakopita and we do have a video for that. And when we make a big tray of it. And then we cut it into squares and freeze it. So whenever we want some, we can just thaw it out and then bake it. And once you bake it, it's almost just like the first day that we made it. I'm also working on a newsletter to send out to everybody. So you might want to go to our podcast website, JeffMaraPodcast.com, and sign up for that. And while you're on the website, you'll see that I'm having a contest. So check that out too. thing we've ever done is get these barbecue chimneys, or charcoal chimneys, whatever you want to call them, because you don't have to use lighter fluid. And it just works amazing. There's paper inside of there. You just gotta light this paper on fire.
Starting to light up? Okay, how long it takes?
It takes, I don't know, about 20 minutes. So in 20 minutes, this coals will be red hot and we'll be ready to cook.
Okay, so we should go inside?
Smoking. We have a fire. One of the most basic things in life is fire. One of the necessities of life is fire. Even with these gloves, it's hot. It comes through these gloves, and these are gloves that are meant to be used with a torch. Right now, it's incredibly hot. I mean, just standing here, it's like I'm cooking. It's so hot. So I have to kind of...
You have to wait a little.
I gotta wait a few minutes just to let it cool down, or it'll burn the meat.
Okay. It smells good already. Yeah. It smells good. Yeah. I guess we had eggplants before that. It's okay, this is whatever we have left at home. Yeah, right.
Sometimes when it's windy, I move from side to side because the smoke gets into my face. And now that I moved over here, it's coming this way. Let me move this way. There we go. I'm gonna go for a ride this morning, and hopefully you guys will get to see all the deer around our neighborhood. And Mika is going with me. This first hill right here can be tough. There's the deer right there on the road. Mika, how are you doing, girl? Here's another house here that must feed the deer, because usually there's a bunch of them in the front yard. And I guess, yeah, here they are. They're waiting for their food. They're waiting for their breakfast. Usually I take these steps down, but with Mika in here, I'll have to go off-road and go this way. There's a dog. The dog seems to think the park is his. Maybe we'll see another deer or a porcupine or something back here. Nope, not today. That's too bad. See if I can make this up this hill without having to get off and walk. When we walk through the neighborhood, we usually walk to this house right here with these lights hanging from this tree. It's a mile from my house. To walk here and walk back, it's about 2 miles, which I think it's about 8,000 steps. So if we could do that every day, it's just even walking the 2 miles, really good for our bodies. And if that's the only exercise that you have time for, I highly recommend it.